Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. And today was the day 21 of the 100 Days Challenge to build yourself as a brand. And I will say that I'm making a lot of progress. So, it's worth. Wow. Okay, so today was a great day. You can see it by my voice. I woke up at 4 o'clock. Yay! Yes, I did wake up. So my eyes were like tired because I slept late, and even my schedule was not proper for a few days. Like I used to sleep on different times and wake up at different times. So quite eyes were like tiring, but I did manage to wake up at 4 o'clock and stop myself from sleeping back. That was very important. After that, I did some slight stretching. I looked into my vision board because that really helps me to get up and work, to know the reason, to remind me the reason for why I'm doing this, why I'm waking up this early, and why I'm starting my day like that. So I did that, and I did even some few affirmations. I swear by affirmations, they are really great. If you want to know more about it, there are some affirmations videos even on my channel. I'm gonna link them in the card as well as in the description box. Go check it out. Affirmations are really great. Okay, after that I made my bed, and then I drank 2 glasses of warm water. Then I prayed and got changed into my workout clothes. Yes, I did the workout like for an hour. So I kept this time because I want to be a model, so I have to be a fit, right? So yeah, I kept it this workout time for an hour. And then I did some like for an hour I did the workout. It was quite tiring. Like yeah, and this time I even like decided to do workout on terrace. I used to just work out in my room before, but now to make like a little change so that I get excited to work out, that's why I made it to my terrace. And I will like really say it was really good. It was a different environment, fresh air, cool breeze. I really loved it. So I did that. After that I did my meditation. I did some breathing exercises, all that, and then I journaled and read a book for 10 minutes. So reading a book, I'm making it a habit, at least 10 minutes, but yeah, I want to do that. After that I watered the plants and took a bath because I worked out. It was very sweaty, so the morning bath was like required one, so I placed it over there in the morning itself. After taking a bath, I did my skincare, then I did my prayer. And if you all remember, I was taking a course on marketing, and for these many days I had not touched it. Like I did not take even one class on it. So I thought to include it in the morning itself so that I can get done with it. That's why I put this course for like an 45 minutes. So I did that, and then I started with the choreography. So morning usually I will be a little creative. By later in the day I get lazy and don't feel like doing anything. So what I like this time, my strategy was, while building a routine, was that to keep the things or the task which like require my brain power, which requires me to think and be creative, so those tasks to be kept in the morning. So for that reason, this course, because I have to remember it and it requires brain to understand and all that, so that's why that I kept in the morning. And then for choreography, of course I have to think the steps and all that, so that's why that I kept in the morning. That way I have this task build up. This time I did the routine strategically and not looking into the time availability or what is like priority important or anything. I didn't look into that. I just did that because by following these many different routines, I have realized at what time I am being productive and at what time I am not. So accordingly, building the routine helps you to be more productive. So I think you should take that into consideration when you're building yourself a routine. Okay, after that, I had my breakfast, then I did a shoot, then I kept 10 minutes for cleaning my room, because it really gets messy. And when you are an influencer, you will be like changing clothes like so many times, and my room like literally gets, especially my bed, it literally gets so messy by one day shoot. So I have made this like a habit, a strict habit, that as soon as I finish my shoot, I will quickly keep the clothes, like if they are sweaty, then I'll put it for wash, or I'll keep it for hanging. And if I haven't just like tried on any clothes and kept it out, then quickly I'll fold them and put it in the cupboard. So this is a strict rule that I have made. So after the shoot, I made this like 10 minutes to clean up my room. After that, I did some uploading work to schedule the videos and all, and then I did editing. I then got oh sorry, I had my lunch and then I did editing. Then I got freshened. That took literal day. Okay, then I got freshened up and had my dinner. Then I set for doing the editing work again. After that, I did my skincare with the face massage. So facial massage is very important. I think I have explained it in my previous videos also. It's really relaxing and very important, especially when you see your screen for a very long duration of time. So highly suggest that. So I thought of taking it into my night routine, because if I do it in the morning routine, usually facial massages also takes at least 5 to 10 minutes. So that would not be, I could be like in a hurry that I have to finish this on time and all that. So this I did not include it in the morning skincare routine. In the morning, I just slightly acupressure my face. That is just of 2 minutes massage. That is what I do. I quickly apply my creams and all that and finish it. So I facial massage I especially included it in the night, so that I can take my time, I can slow down and nicely massage my face, and it really helps. After that, I read book for 10 minutes. That is special book, which is Bhagavad Gita. I have read it like twice, but I want to read it again to understand it even more better, and so that I don't even forget it. Okay, so I have put this into my night routine, that before sleeping 10 minutes I'm gonna read the Bhagavad Gita, and after that I slept at 8 o'clock. Yes, and that's how my day 21 came to end. I can't believe it's the day 21. It's 21 days I'm doing this, and it's been said that 21 days can lead to building a habit. Eventually, I did not form any habit because I didn't follow a proper routine, but I did like work out for a very lot of days actually. From out of 21, maybe 15 days I did work out, or no. Okay, it's okay. But from now on, we are gonna do that. Anyways, hoping to wake up at 4 o'clock tomorrow also. Till then, I'll see you. Bye. Take care.